This C program helps users find a great gaming phone within their budget. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, finding the right phone can be challenging. We will focus on phones under 30,000 rupees, ensuring you get the best value for your money. The program works by asking the user for their budget. Once the budget is entered, it processes the information. Then, it suggests suitable phone options based on the budget and gaming requirements. Let's look at the code step by step to understand how it works. First, we need to include the standard input-output library. This is done using the hash include directive. This library allows our program to interact with the user by displaying messages and receiving input. It lets us display messages on the screen and get input from the keyboard. The main function is where our program starts executing. Inside the main function, we declare a variable called budget. This variable will store the user's budget for the phone. The code snippet looks like this: int main, int budget, / rest of the code. We want the program to be interactive. So, we need to ask the user to enter their budget. This is a crucial step because the program needs to know the user's financial constraints to provide accurate recommendations. We use the function to display a message on the screen. This message serves as a prompt, guiding the user on what information is required. This message prompts the user to enter their budget. It's important to make this message clear and concise to avoid any confusion. For example, we can use the printf function to display the message, "Enter your budget" in Rs. Next, we use the scan function to read the user's input from the keyboard. This function is essential for capturing user input in a C program. The format specifier %d tells scanf to read an integer value and store it in the variable named budget. So the complete line of code would be scanf, %d and budget. Now that we have the user's budget stored in the variable, we can use this information in our program. With the budget information, we can move on to the next step. This involves using the budget to filter and recommend products or services that fit within the user's financial limits. This is where we will determine which phone to recommend based on the provided budget. By doing this, we ensure that the user gets the best possible options that they can afford. We use statements to recommend a phone based on the user's budget. The statement checks if the budget is within a specific range. If it is, the program recommends a phone in that range. If budget =10000, else if budget =15000, else if budget =20000, else if budget =3000, else. For example, if the user enters 12,000 rupees, the program recommends the Realme Narzo 50A. If the budget is 25,000 rupees, the program suggests the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. Each statement covers a different budget range and provides relevant advice. This simple C program showcases how to create a basic recommendation system. It's a foundational step in understanding how algorithms can be tailored to user preferences. You can adapt this logic for various applications, from e-commerce to content streaming services. Instead of phones, you could recommend laptops, cameras, or any other electronic devices based on user preferences and past behavior, or even travel destinations based on different criteria like budget, interests, and past travel history. The possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination.